Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to check someone's reposts on TikTok. To start this tutorial, open your TikTok application. Once you are here, click on the person's profile if you've ever viewed their video. In here, first add this one to your favorites, or whatever video that you could add. Now, you will now share this one to another person. You can now repost this as well. We reshared it or reposted it to my timeline. Now, once you are on your very own profile, you are going to click on the middle icon that is there next to the arrow and the lock screen. In here, you will see all the reposts. For example, the one that we have just shared. If you want to see this from another profile, just look for the very same icon when you search for another person. And then you will see all their reposts. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe to the channel.